Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo is an effective treatment for lice, which are small insects that can infest the scalp, pubic area, or body and cause irritation. This shampoo works by paralyzing and killing the lice, providing relief from the infestation. It is important to follow the recommended dosage and timing for the best results. Make sure to carefully read the instructions provided by the manufacturer and follow them exactly. If you are unsure about anything, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Avoid getting the shampoo in your eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If this happens, wash the affected area with plenty of water. If you experience irritation, seek medical attention. Do not use this shampoo on eyelashes or eyebrows, and consult your doctor if these areas are affected by lice. If using the shampoo on an infant, be sure to cover their hands and feet after application to prevent them from getting it in their mouth. Apply the shampoo in a well-ventilated area, such as near an open window. Thoroughly cover the affected area of the hair and scalp with the shampoo, then work it into a lather with a small amount of water. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, or as directed by your doctor. Afterward, rinse and dry the hair with a clean towel, and use a nit removal comb as directed to remove any lice eggs. Wash your hands immediately after use. Since the shampoo does not affect lice eggs, it's important to repeat the application 7 to 10 days later to kill any newly hatched lice. If your condition persists or worsens after the 2 treatments, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience skin irritation, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects for you. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Although it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, especially to chrysanthemum or ragweed. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have had any skin infections in the past. If you experience constant or hard scratching of the skin or scalp, it could lead to a bacterial skin infection. If you notice worsening redness or pus, be sure to tell your doctor right away. If you are pregnant, use this medication only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk. When using Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect the effectiveness of your medications or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It is crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will ensure the safe and effective use of Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo and other medications. Remember to always follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the best results. If Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo is accidentally inhaled or swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 for emergency assistance or reach out to your local poison control center. In the US, you can contact the Poison Control Center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Symptoms of overdose may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and unusual drowsiness. Always keep this medication out of reach of children to avoid accidental ingestion. It's important not to share this medication with anyone unless your doctor tells you to. To prevent spreading lice to others or getting reinfested, it's important to wash all headwear, scarves, coats, and bed linens in hot water and dry them in a hot dryer for at least 20 minutes. You can also dry clean these items, seal them in a plastic bag for 2 weeks, or spray them with a disinfectant that kills lice. Additionally, brushes and combs should be soaked in hot water for 10 minutes, soaked in alcohol for 1 hour, or thrown away. And don't forget to thoroughly vacuum furniture and floors. If you're in close contact with someone who has lice, such as family members, it's important to check for lice and nits. Even if live lice aren't found, treatment may be considered to prevent infestation. If you happen to forget a dose of Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo, it is recommended to seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist. Make sure to store your Lice Pyrinyl Shampoo at room temperature, and avoid freezing it. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need it or it is expired, be sure to dispose of it properly. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.